up? So today, as promised, I have a tutorial using the new Natasha Denona Tropic palette. I just did a review of this the other day, so I will link it in the description box down below and up in the cards. You might want to check it out. It's a really cool palette. So this is the look I created. I wanted to do something that was using more of the colors because the last look I did was using more of the neutral colors in here. So yeah, and I ended up going all out. I'm not super amazing at the spotlight technique and my creases are weird and blah blah blah, but I gave it a shot and I'm not mad at how it turned out. So if you want to learn how I did this look, then just keep watching. So I'm starting off by priming my eyes as I normally do with concealer and some shadow insurance. Taking the Natasha Denona Tropic palette, I am taking the color Sahara, and that is going to be our transition color for this look. Now I'm taking the shade Exotic on a blending brush, and I'm going to blend that right over Sahara. Now this shade doesn't really pick up color that well. It's one of those shades where you need to use your fingers, so while I'm using it with a brush, I really had to build it up. Alright, the next shade we're taking is Laguna, and I'm just placing that in the center of my lid. This color is super pigmented. I had no problems with this color at all. And now we're going in with Tiger Lily, and I did have problems with this. Again, you have to use it with your finger because it's that cream formula. But I'm packing it into my inner corner and outer corner, and I really took my time to build it up just because I was having problems with it. So just build it up very slowly and you'll figure it out. Alright, now I'm taking my Maybelline FitMe concealer, and this is where we're starting that cut. I'm just using a small brush to make it that line on top. And I brought the color down and I'm blending it out with my finger. Now we're taking the shade Mint Frost on a small smudger brush, and I'm just patting that right over the concealer. Now I'm taking the shade Laguna to kind of blend that center lid shade out. Alright, and now we're taking Tiger Lily again on a small pointer brush, and I am going to deepen right above that light color. And we're moving on to the face. I'm using Smashbox Finish Primerizer as my primer to give my skin a nice moisturized base. Now I'm taking the Maybelline Superstay foundation. This is the first time I'm trying it. I like it. It's very full coverage. I haven't used a full coverage foundation in forever. And then I'm using my Maybelline FitMe just as my concealer. Nothing new here. Taking my Mercier translucent powder, and I'm setting underneath my eyes with that and the rest of my face as well. And I'm taking my NARS Board Day Play palette, and I'm mixing both of the bronzers in there. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. And I'm just bronzing up my face. I'm using my Lorac Pro Contour Kit, and I'm going to contour as I normally do. Nothing new here. And I'm taking the tip of my sponge in the beige highlight, and I'm going to reverse contour. And I'm taking from my Tarte Blush Bazzer palette the shade Extraordinary, and I'm just putting that right on the apples of my cheek. I thought a pink blush would contrast very well with the eyes. Taking my beloved Nicole Guerriero ABH highlighting palette, I'm just mixing a couple colors here and putting it in all the places you highlight. And I'm taking the shade Exotic again, and I'm running that along my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take a small brush into Tiger Lily, and we're going to define that lower lash line. And I decided that it was a bit harsh using that tiny brush, so I did go out and blend that all out. And I'm taking the shade Limoncello, and I'm using that as my inner corner color and under my brow bone. You guys, this color is so gorgeous. I want to do a whole look based on this color. And I'm taking the Sephora Shadow and Liner Stick, and I'm just putting a white eyeliner in my lower lash line. And I'm taking the usual mascara and doing what you do with mascara. Nothing special going on here. I'm taking the style Petty by Cakeface Beauty lashes. I love these lashes. They're super dramatic and with little spaces in them so you can still see the eyeshadow. Lips today, I'm using the shade Bow and Arrow by Kat Von D. This is one of my favorite nudes, and I love these liquid lipsticks. And after this, we are all done. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Like I said, you might want to check out the review that I posted a few days ago. Just check the description box down below. And yeah, this palette's really awesome. You can create so many looks, so I still want to create more looks with this palette just because there's so many different things you can do with this. So make sure you follow me on Instagram because I'll probably post a tutorial there. And remember to subscribe for future videos. I have a lot more reviews and tutorials coming your way. So that's all I have for today. Have a good day. And yeah,